Why don't seniors in the apartments near me ever play hide and seek? Because the only place left to hide is in the rent. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on seniors' apartments for rent near me. Tip 1. Consider proximity to amenities. Seniors should consider the closeness of the apartment to important amenities such as grocery stores, healthcare facilities, and community centres. Their mobility might not be as good as it once was, and having these amenities close by can save them from unnecessary stress and time spent on the road. Tip 2. Access to public transport. If driving is an issue, it's essential to look for apartments near public transportation. This would make an ideal choice because you can easily use buses or trains to travel to various places, including grocery stores, places of worship, and medical facilities. Tip 3. Check for safety features. Senior apartments should incorporate features that make it safe for seniors to live in without fear of accidents. Look for features such as handrails in bathrooms, non-slip flooring, and well-lit areas. Tip 4. Consider the layout of the apartment. It's important to choose an apartment layout that suits your physical ability. For instance, staircases might not be ideal for those with mobility issues. Instead, they should opt for a single-story layout that is easy to navigate. Tip 5. Look for a senior-friendly community. A community that embraces senior living will have senior-friendly features like elevator access, wheelchair ramps, fitness classes, and organized social activities that cater to their demographic. Tip 6. Consider the cost. The cost of renting an apartment varies widely depending on the location and features included. It's important to consider your budget and what you can afford before making a decision. Also, keep in mind potential additional costs like utility bills or a parking space. Tip 7. Pet policies. If you have a pet or are planning to get one, it's important to confirm whether the complex allows pets and what kind of restrictions they might have. Tip 8. Consider maintenance and repair policies. Before renting an apartment, it's important to understand who is responsible for maintenance and repairs. This is crucial as it can influence the overall upkeep cost of the space. Tip 9. Find out the terms of the lease. A lease agreement can dictate what you can and cannot do within your apartment. It's important to read and understand the terms before signing to avoid any misunderstandings in the future. Tip 10. Seek professional advice. If you find it challenging to find a suitable apartment, consider hiring a real estate agent who specializes in senior living. They have a deep understanding of the market and can help you find an apartment that meets all your needs within your budget. Tip 11. Consider your future needs. Although it is essential to think about your current needs, also think about your future. Your health and mobility may change, so consider features such as disability access and proximity to healthcare facilities. Being prepared for future needs can help you age in place comfortably.